Hi, my name is Gene Bice and I'm with Jireh Supplies. Today I'm going to show you how to connect an external mixer and external microphones to the Bose L1 Compact. Now, I've already unpacked a lot of the key components. The first is the mixer. We're using a Yamaha MG102C mixer. I power it up and cut the power on. The very first thing that I'm going to want to do is connect the mixer to the Bose. Now, in this case with this mixer, the output is a 1/4 inch output. And we're only going to use, it's a left and right, we're only going to use in this example the left side. So I plug my 1/4 inch cable into the mixer, and then I plug the other end, which is a 3-pin XLR, I plug it in to the first channel of the Bose, and I adjust the volume to about halfway. The next step that I want to do with the mixer is I want to connect my external microphone. In this particular example, we're using condenser microphones that mount into a shock mount, and this are the MXL 603 pair. Now these come as a pair of microphones, but you just squeeze the clip and it slides in. And for the purposes of the video, I'm just going to show you with one microphone. And what we do is we attach the microphone to a standard microphone stand. In this particular case, it's a boom. And I screw it on and adjust it. So now it can be pointed directly towards your singing group, your chorus group for their performance. And then we want to take a microphone cord and connect it to the microphone. It clicks into place. And we run the microphone cable over to the first channel. Now, in the case of the microphones that we're using, those are condenser microphones, which means that they pick up in a larger area and they require external power. So most mixers will have somewhere on it a button that says Phantom 48 volt. So we turn that on, so now the microphone is getting additional power through the microphone cable. Now we want to adjust the mixer and adjust it for that particular microphone to use to monitor and mic the choir. To do that, we simply take the main output and turn it up to about halfway. We take the first channel and turn it up and make sure the gain is down. So now we can start adjusting the volume, and we can turn the gain up or down to adjust the input volume. Now, one other thing that we want to do, because the Bose L1 compact system is a mono system and not stereo, we're only going to use one side of the main output. So because we're doing that, we're going to take the pan on all of our channels that we're using and we're going to turn them to the left. Now, to set up the microphone, we're going to want to move it away from the Bose system. So we're going to simulate putting it in front of our chorus so they can be heard. Then we can adjust the volumes for the channel. So I can turn the volume up and I can adjust the gain. And if you start getting a ring, that means you've got it a little too hot or you've got it too close to the speaker. Now I should be able to walk over. And in this case, you can hear me. I'm talking through the microphone. It's picking me up in a broad area. So if I were singing, it would be a lot louder. So these are some of the adjustments that you want to make, adjusting the gain, the volume for the channel, and then the master volume. But as you can tell from the video, with being right beside the speaker, you can hear me clearly. Now, in the case where you're miking a choir, you're going to want to repeat the process for however many microphones that you're using. In this case, you could plug 4 microphones into this mixer, and then you adjust the volumes and everything the same, and then just kind of leave it alone. Then you can turn up 1 mic or 2 if you need to, but you want to just check for clarity of it covering the crowd. For placement of the microphones, you're going to evenly space them so that all the different parts can be heard, depending on the size of the ensemble or choir or chorus group. That concludes this video on connecting an external microphone with condenser microphones to the mixer for use with the Bose L1 Compact. Once again, my name is Gene Bice. I'm with Jireh Supplies. Our phone number is 1-800-478-2591, or you can visit us online at www.jirehsupplies.com, and that's JIREH supplies.com. If you have any questions on the Bose L1 compact system or accessories that can plug into it, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.